Yeah, so anyone who's now looking for a business opportunity in 2023, I highly recommend I highly recommend you to get started or take a look at this business opportunity because back when I was getting started back in 2015, 16, um, I couldn't find anything like this. I didn't have a sponsor. I mean, I had a sponsor, but they was nowhere. They was nowhere to be around. They was nowhere to be found. They didn't put out videos. They didn't help their team members. You just, you paid for a business opportunity to get started, but then all of a sudden you feel like you're stuck. But now, today, with this opportunity, it's not like that. Fast forward in 2023. Right now we have um, anybody who gets started with our team. You have me, and then also you have my sponsor, and then you have other leaders in the company that's making like no exaggeration, but they're making like $8,000 per week, not a month, but per week. Um, and so that's who I'm following and look, and staying plugged in and staying close to because my goal is to emulate and copy what they're doing. If you want to be successful and if you want to have goals, and if you do have goals, you'd have to find a mentor or find someone who you want to emulate. And what you do is copy those people who you want to be like. See, in a generalized educational school system, right? We was taught if we copy somebody, right, you're a failure. You automatically fail a test if you was to copy somebody. But in the business world, right, in the business industry, it's the opposite. They tell you to follow somebody who you want similar results like, and you emulate them. That's the difference between the generalized educational school system that indoctrinate us versus the business world. You know what I'm saying? So anyone that's interested in, making more money and saving money and, having a prosperous life and leaving a legacy to their children and wife and kids, take a look at this opportunity. The link will be at the bottom of the description of this video. All right. Bye for now.